Alrighty, tonight we're going to be making Asian dry rub spare ribs with an amazing Carolina BBQ sauce, Asian style. Y'all ready? Let's go. First, we're going to be taking our 2 spare ribs, rubbing Dijon mustard on all sides into the crevices, just like so. Very nice. From here, adding in our wonderful dry spices. First, sprinkle on some pepper on all sides. Then onto a layer of ginger soy spice, just like so. Now finish it with cajun dry rub. Pressing this down on all sides, just like so, patting it till the seasoning has set. Cooking this with mesquite chips in our camp chef smoker at 250 degrees till the internal temperature has reached 160 degrees at the stall. Takes about 2.5 hours or so. Once ready, check out the probe to check to see if it's ready to go. And then we're going to be wrapping it inside. First, taking in our butcher's paper, basting this with our wonderful duck fat on all sides and onto the paper to retain moisture and tightly wrap. Amazing. Finish this in the smoker till the internal temperature reaches 200 to 225. Now onto our Asian Carolina BBQ sauce. We're going to be taking apple cider vinegar, water, ketchup, pepper, soy sauce, Korean chili flakes, and brown sugar. Cooking this till it has been dissolved. Very nice, set aside. Once our ribs are ready, we're going to unwrap and then baste with our wonderful sauce until the sauce has stuck to the ribs, just like so. Amazing. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.